Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of adding your location in X. Adding your location can help you connect with people in your area and discover local content. Let's dive into this full guide. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Locate the X icon and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once you're in X, look for the account icon located at the top right corner of the screen. It usually appears as a small profile picture. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the account settings menu, find and tap on the profile option. This will take you to your profile page. Step 4. Now, you'll see your profile page. To edit your profile information, tap on your header picture. This will open a menu with additional options. Step 5. From the options menu, tap on Edit Profile. This will allow you to modify your profile details. Step 6. Within the Edit Profile screen, locate the Location field. It might be empty or display a default location. Tap on it to start editing. Step 7. Use your device's keyboard to type in your desired location. You can enter your city, state, or any other location that accurately represents where you are. Step 8. Once you've entered your location, double-check for accuracy and ensure it reflects your intended location. Step 9. After verifying your entered location, tap on the Save or Done button to save your changes. Congratulations! You have successfully added your location in X. Now you can connect with people and discover content relevant to your area. Thank you for watching our guide on how to add your location in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.